Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can open your Forms designer view on your WinForm application in Visual Studio. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to open your Forms designer view on your WinForms application, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Solution Explorer. You can find it right here at the right corner of your Visual Studio. But if in case you can't find your Solution Explorer, like for example you accidentally closed it, just like what I did now, you can fix that by going to the View menu at the top, and then you will be able to see the Solution Explorer right here. Just click it to reopen the Explorer. And then your Solution Explorer will now be reopened. So here on your Solution Explorer, I want you to select the form for which you want to open the designer view off. So in my case, I have 2 total forms in my WinForm application, but I will just open the designer view of my first form, which is the form 1. So to do that, just go and select the form. And after selecting, I want you to right-click it. And after that, there it is guys. You will now see the design view option right here, so just go and select it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the design view of the form will now be opened, so you can now start designing it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.